itong fraternity na to, it is the foremost patriotic fraternity dito sa ating bansa. And this expert in local governments, who is the current board member of Cavite, I'm happy to introduce him today because he is concurrently the Supreme Commander of the Knights of Rizal. Let's all welcome Kuya Sherwin, Kuya Ricky, Sir Raimundo Monding del Rosario.
Okay. Magandang gabi po.
Welcome, sir.
Magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat, Kuya Ted, sa invitasyon ninyo at kami mapapunta rito at makaharap sa ating mga mamamayan at para mapaliwanag natin kung ano ang ating organisasyon na Knights of Rizal.
Maraming salamat po na you can you can join us here today. And he is accompanied by his fellow officers po.
Yun.
Isa hong kapatid natin sa craft. The Executive Director of the Knights of Rizal, Kuya Paul Biloen.
Magandang gabi po, Kuya Teddy, Kuya Sherwin, Kuya Ricky.
And
Magandang gabi
their
sa'yo, Kuya.
Executive Assistant to Sir Munding,
Ito.
Sir Tim Francisco.
Ito pala.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and thank you for inviting us here po.
And on that note,
Ay.
Sir Munding, ano ba ho ang Knights of Rizal?
Ang Knights of Rizal, ito ay isang civic and
Ito, lapit lang po kayo, Kuya. Para ano.
Sabi nga, one of the most the only organization na nagdadala ng patriotism. And it was established by law under the Republic Act 646.
So may charter po.
Ito ay hanap natin ang buhay at mga pangaral, mga libro ng ating mahal na bayani na si Dr. Jose Rizal.
Kuya Munding, paano ho nagagawa yun? How do we honor the life of Rizal through this organization?
Yeah, I think I can ask our executive director to...
Thank you. Why honor Rizal? Kasi si Rizal po yung yung kabuuan ng pagiging Pilipino natin. Mas kilala siya bilang premiadong national hero natin. Isa sa mga national heroes, but he is the first among all of them. Siya nagsimula ng damdaming pagka-Pilipino. Sa kanya nagsimula yung damdaming makabayan para sa kapwa niya, mabukod sa kapwa niya para sa isang bayan, sa isang konsepto ng bayan, at higit sa lahat konsepto ng pakikipagrelasyon sa ibang bansa o yung foreign relations. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung buhay nga ni Rizal, nagsimula sa Pilipinas, nag-aral, naging mahusay na kabataan hanggang sa kanyang profesyon. Mabukod doon, he was able to connect with other people, other countries. So, ito yung bagay na pinubuo natin.
Kuya Paul, okay, so internationally we know him as the first Malayan, di ba po? And we try to honor him with this fraternity. Eh, ano ba ang ginagawa natin sa Knights of Rizal? How do we honor him?
Yeah.
Well, sa pagkilala po kay Rizal, marami pong activities ng Knights of Rizal regarding that.
Pwede
Una po,
pa,
ang
ano?
buwan ng Disyembre ay Rizal Month. Lahat po yung activities ng ating national government ay patungkol kay Rizal sa buwan ng Disyembre. Mabukod po doon ang Rizal Day celebrations na ginagawa tuwing December 30. Hindi lamang po yan sa Luneta, ginagawa rin po yan sa Calamba and other parts of the country. June 19 is also a very important date for the country to remember. Ang isa pa po on the side, ang ginagawa din ng Knights of Rizal is to bring forth other Filipinos internationally sa Europa, sa Canada, sa Amerika, sa Middle East. Napakarami pong activities dyan sa mga Filipino communities who are doing it under the name of Jose Rizal and for anything that Rizal was meant to do for the Philippines.
Si Sir Munding mentioned about a Republic Act earlier. So, matanong ko lang, sir, bakit po ba may charter na ganun ang Knights of Rizal?
Ang sabi nga sa ating batas, we have only 4 organization that was given chartered by the Republic. One is the Boy Scout of the Philippines, the Girl Scout of the Philippines, the Philippine Red Cross, and the Knights of Rizal. Some organization registered at Securities Exchange Commission, but ours is given by the Republic. Iyon ang kahalagahan nitong organisasyon ito. Kaya under our charter, our medals and uniforms are considered given honor by the Republic. It was written in the honor code of the Republic, the Philippines. So we cannot alter or change any insignia, medals, because nandun ho nakalagay yan sa ating Republic Act.
So,
Di, siguro ganito kuya.
Effectively sa
May,
National Order of
isa-isahin natin kasi yung nakikinig sa atin medyo na ano eh. Unahin natin, ano po ba ang Knight of Rizal? In essence.
ano ginagawa?
Ginagawa, yan. Ano ba yung Knight of Rizal?
Isa siyang ano, isa
Kasi
siyang
napunta na tayo sa
kapatiran.
charge. Yeah, kapatiran.
Essentially, isa siyang kapatiran na kumikilala sa pagkabayani ni Rizal, bumubuo at tumutulong sa pagbuo ng isang bayan na kumikilala sa demokrasya, na soberanya, at doon sa mga idealismo ng ating bayaning si Rizal, na mabuo ang isang bansa na pantay-pantay.
So, ano po ang ating layunin? Kunyari ako, I would like to join. Ano bang layunin ng Knight of Rizal?
Ang unang-una pong layunin ng Knights of Rizal ay education to our youth. Na paano pagmamahal sa bayan. Hindi ito pagmamahal lang dahil tumatayo ka sa lupang hinirang. Higit pa ron, ano yung pagmamahal mo pa na pwedeng ipakita? Contribution sa bayan.
Siguro, i-rephrase ko, no? So, alam mo, tayong dalawa, may kapatiran rin tayo.
Yes.
Craft. Na yung emphasis nun is to make good men better.
Yes.
Through mentoring. Yung unique naman sa Rizal is, siya itong sa kapatiran natin sa Rizal, siya yung modelo natin as to how one can be a servant leader
Yes.
in the Philippines. Ganun ba yun?
Yes.
So, paano natin inaano yan? Alam ko may mga activities tayo like the Rizal Youth Leadership Institute, di ba?
Yes.
Kuya Munding?
Ang isa nga sa
Si Kuya Munding, kapatiran natin para sa mga kuya dyan. Ano yung loya niyo po?
San Agustin Lodge.
Yun.
St. Augustine.
Ang flagship program ng Knights of Rizal, which is tawag nga yung NRILI, National Rizal Youth Leadership Institute, ito po it's been going on this is the 62nd actually.
62.
62. But hindi ho ang ibig sabihin 62 years. Kasi every 2 years ang term ng kwan. So, but you have to do it yearly. At hindi ho papayag ang ating mga Council of Elders na tinatawag natin yung mga past Supreme Commanders, which ngayon ho ay ang namumuno ay si ating dating Chief Justice Uno. Dito ay binibigyan natin ng seminar ang mga kabataan. Binibigyan natin, calculate natin sa kaisipan ng mga kabataan kung sino si Rizal. O ano ang sinakripisyo ni Rizal sa bayan para maging malaya ang ating bayan. So yung ibang mga teachings and works ay nandun, itinuturo doon sa seminar na yon. At nakikita natin ang pagka-interesting o interesado ang mga kabataan. Talagang marami hong nag-volunteer, nagpupunta doon. Hindi namin kinakailangan.
At yung doon
i-advertise
is Baguio.
Sa Baguio. Ito ay ginagawa every first week of December sa Baguio. At ang talagang halos permanent venue nito ay yung Teachers Camp.
Teachers.
Baguio. At talaga hong binibigyan lang namin ng notice sa mga universities and colleges, public schools. Talagang binibigyan lang namin sila ng brochure and then magpapadala na sila ng representative. At normally, ang ginagawa ng mga chapters natin ng Knights of Rizal sa mga bayan-bayan, even mga nasa overseas, nag-i-sponsor sila ng mga estudyante para maipadala doon sa NRID kasi interesado talaga sila. And it is being masasabi na accredited by the Department of Education.
Okay. So, yung po mga nakikinig sa atin, sigurado ako maraming interesado. Paano po ba sumali ng Knights of Rizal? At ano po ba yung mga qualifications, kumbaga, kung gustong sumali ng isa sa inyong organisasyon?
Paano ba sila makasali?
Yeah.
I will let
Yan.
Si Sir Tim.
Francisco.
So, to become a member po of the Knights of Rizal, you must at least be of legal age. So, 18 years old po ang legal age natin dito. And then, he is willing to learn about the life and works of our national hero and willing to learn po. Kasi to encapsulate the goal of the Knights of Rizal is to spread, propagate, and inculcate the life, works, and teachings of our national hero. Then he must be also tawag dito sponsored by 2 Knights of Rizal in good standing. He can go to a nearest chapter or coordinate po sa ating IHQ para po ma-facilitate po yung membership process niya.
So since knight siya, so effectively yung code of chivalry na and the recognition na of a knight, may mga ranko yan, di ba?
Yes sir, we have ranks.
Anong ibig sabihin doon? Anong ibig sabihin doon? What do you mean by ranks? Ano form of recognition? Ano ba ho yun?
Sir, pag sinabi nating ranks in the Knights of Rizal, it can be also a form of recognition and also a form of their development inside the Knights of Rizal. So when you enter the order, once you are dubbed, kasi may dubbing. Parang yung mga napapanood natin sir sa yung mga royalty
Ay, ginagano.
Ginasword sa
inaanohan ng
balita.
sword.
Oo.
Opo.
Ako na ganun
Yes,
ako eh.
opo. Si Sir Munding gusto i-experience sa susunod, yung Excalibur. Na-try namin sa
Mabigat-bigat
Thailand.
yung espada, di ba?
Opo, nung nagpunta kami sa Thailand, na-try namin yun sa...
Thailand?
Yes.
We have a chapter.
We have chapters around the world
Very
eh.
interesting na hindi nalalaman ng lahat. Ang Knights of Rizal are composed of all chapters all over the world.
So meron tayo sa London.
Yes.
Meron tayo sa Spain.
The whole
Yes, meron po.
Europe, the
Meron tayo sa
ANZO,
US.
tawag natin yung ANZO region, yung Australia, New Zealand, the MIR, yung Middle East and the African region, Eastern and Western USA,
Central.
Canada, Hawaii, and of course Asia. Our regional commander in Southeast Asia is our Consul General in the Philippine Embassy in Korea.
Wow.
So most of the embassies actually outside the Philippines are active in the Knights of Rizal.
So maganda ho ko to kasi yung mga dayuhan, when they get to know Rizal and they model him, it's not just them that they get to, we get to promote Rizal to them. Yung Filipinos abroad, di ba po? This is one way of continuing to
Especially
link
yung
with us,
mga,
di ba po?
mga
With their motherland.
yung mga workers natin outside. Kaya 2 days ago, nandyan yung regional commander ng MIR, tawag namin, Middle East African Region.
Opo.
Nagkukwento lang siya na kaya siya na talagang naging very active sa Knights of Rizal. When he was a member, sabi niya, active siya sa mga organization. Actually, sa mga Filipino workers sa Middle East, ay lagi siyang concierge, doctor of accountancy. Medyo officer siya ng
Baka you can
company.
speak closer.
Yeah. Nagkwento niya na hindi namin alam, kaya siya ganun ka-active. One time daw na nasa Washington DC siya, ang gusto niya lang naman mag-courtesy call sa embassy officials. So parang hindi siya napapansin. Tinatanong siya kung may appointment, wala raw naman. Gusto niya lang mag-courtesy call sa Consul General or the Ambassador. Kaya hindi raw siya pinapansin. Meron siyang Knights of Rizal, pin. Nakita raw sa siya, no? Knights of Rizal pala kayo? Oo. Tapos, saan ho kayo? Sinabi niya kung ano siya sa mga company and community leader siya ng mga Pilipino. Right then and then, pinapasok siya sa consultant. Ang sabi raw sa kanya nung una, you have only 5 to 10 minutes. 1 oras daw siyang interview.
Oh, maganda ho
Sa
yan.
Knights of Rizal. Kaya magmula na, very active siya. Binuo niya yung maraming chapters sa
Middle East
sa
po.
Middle East. Yung Middle East is Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain. Kanina lang yung chapter commander ng Qatar chapter, nandito po kanina sa bisita namin sa headquarters. And the Knights of Rizal has its own headquarters in Port area. Yun ang international headquarters ng Knights of Rizal. It was owned by the Knights of Rizal.
Siguro sir, another thing is that, sino-sino ba ang miyembro ng Knight of Rizal? Yung mga pillars.
Yes, ang pillars, mga yun nga ang tawag namin doon sa after your pag-Supreme Commander ka na, you will be a member of the Council of Elders. Ang Council of Elders, now headed by the former Chief Justice, Renato Puno.
Oh, yun.
Ang Chairman Emeritus ay the former Chief Justice, Hilario Davide. Some of the members are former Senator Joey Lina, now sitting Governor of Ilocos Sur, Jerry Singson, and Sir Regis Romero, Sir Trilliana, the former historical chairman of the Historical Commission. There are those some names.
Pillars talaga ho sa
Oo,
society.
talagang,
Until now,
yeah.
sila ang nandun.
And it's nice to know, Kuya, na it's not just local, it's an international
Yes,
movement.
yes.
In that connection po, may International Assembly ba po tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
At ang mga ating mga
Guest ngayon.
guests ngayon, ang mga taga Knights of Rizal. Kuya Teddy, ano yung hanging question natin kanina?
Yung hanging question ko is, pumunta na ako sa international eh. Pero nag-ano ako, ang dami nating local activities.
Yes.
In addition to International Assembly, yung mas ma-exciting dito is regional assemblies, di ba Kuya Munding? Ano po nangyayari dun sa...
Ito ang magandang sa Knights of Rizal natin na sasagawa tayo palagi ng mga regional assembly. Just recently, we have just finished the regional assembly in Mindanao and Dumaguete locally.
Ano nangyayari sa...
Doon sa mga regional assembly ay nagbibigay tayo ng mga awards, conferment of
Degrees.
ranks po.
and then knighthoods, forum, and then fellowship, of course. Hindi rin nawawala yan. And international, regional, this coming, last May, attend ako ng regional assembly ng Eastern USA sa Las Vegas.
So
Tapos,
kung kayo ho ay Knights of Rizal, nakaka-visit ho rin ho kayo sa ibang...
Oo. Parang isa sa mga obligasyon, lalo na ng katulad ng Supreme Commander and some members of the Supreme Trustee, kung may time sila, to attend. Kailangan merong officer na nandun. This coming November, ang Regional Assembly will be held in New Jersey by Eastern USA, composed of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Right after the Eastern, pupunta naman ako sa Texas. It composed of Texas, Oklahoma,
Madami daw
sila
yan.
doon. So, pinagsunod na nila para habang nandun kami.
Tuloy-tuloy.
6 kami na Supreme Trustees na attend doon. Kaya, biro namin, pwede na kami mag-meeting doon. May quorum na. doon sa New Jersey.
Kuya Munding, all of this culminates in an international assembly po.
Yeah, and then every 2 years, mandatory na kailangan magkaroon ng International Assembly. Ang darating na International Assembly ngayon ay ang mag-host ang Cebu. It will be on February 6 to 8.
Sa mga Knights naman ho na hindi pa alam mo, baka how can they register naman po?
Nasa website na ho ang buong informasyon.
The website is at www.knights-of-rizal.ph. Nandoon po lahat ng detalye, including the links to how to register to the International Assembly, also the full history of the Knights of Rizal, and also how to join the order.
So,
Paulit natin yung website.
The website is www.knights-of-rizal.ph.
If we can add po, starting September 1 until October 31, nakaano tayo, promo tayo dun sa ano na yun.
May discount pa.
Yes, may discount pa po kaya dapat register na sila.
Yung nga, Sir Tim,
Magkano
Sir
ba yung
Paul.
registration fee?
Magkano yung ano?
For early bird fees nung starting September 1 until the 31st of October, 7,000 pesos yung
Pero ito yung sa mga
registration fee.
members na.
Yes, for
Members
members
na po
po
ito.
yun.
So
Lahat
how do
sir
we
ng
encourage them to join? Yung specifically, wala silang alam na night. Who can they go to one point of contact? Meron ba kayo
Yeah.
ganun, Sir Tim, na
yan po, sir.
who can direct them to a chapter?
We normally would like them to go to the website
Okay.
or connect with the international headquarters, which is using the website as well. Matutulungan na po namin sila, whether me or si Sir Tim, which chapter can they
May email
go
address
to.
po kayo?
Yes,
Yung
meron
mga-
po.
Yes.
Our email address is okorian2021@gmail.com. You can also go to our Facebook account. We have our official Facebook account, Knights of Rizal Supreme Council International Headquarters. Automated po yung ating messenger. They can direct po yung response.
AI na.
Yes po,
May AI na.
inaayos po namin ngayon, sir, para po pag may queries, madali po.
Madali
So
po
kung
masagot.
mag-member sila this month, makakahabol pa sila.
Definitely, sir.
Kaya pa. On that
Kaya.
Ano ba yung mga qualification to be a member?
Well, yun nga po, nabanggit kanina, you have to be of legal age, 18,
Good moral character.
good moral character, para
And you
sa
must-
atin sa craft.
You must,
Turpitude.
Kailangan mo ba ng police clearance?
Baka
Di
sumamalog ni
naman.
Kuya Ricky, baka
but of course, yung,
ma-expire na naman to.
Siguro yung tanong dun is, gaano katagal yung bago maging isang
Yes.
member?
Yes.
Upon completion of having...
Kasi may mga
or
Kailangan ba
Yes,
i-donning?
yeah,
I'm sorry.
kasama sa charter natin yon. For you to be able to be a member, real, see the application, admission, and then you have to be dubbed.
Kailangan habulin.
Sabi nga, pagka hindi ka nadadab as a member, kaya merong ritual na gagawin din, katulad din sa ating kwan, na kapag hindi ka nadab, you cannot be called as a member.
You cannot be considered
Considered as a member.
And also, sir, we also need to have them yung orientation. Nilalagay namin lagi yun. Kasi, sir, minsan, may mga, nung past, may mga instances na nananighthood agad sila, pero kulang yung, yung knowledge nila. So, we're really...
Kailangan ng orientation.
Yes.
Ilaw. Actually, Kuya Teddy, Kuya Sherwin, both of you are lawyers. Alam natin na Knights of Rizal is created under Republic Act, 646. And any violation to Republic Act is a criminal offense. Kaya nga po, the Knights of Rizal is quite peculiar pag binibigyan ko ng orientation. Sa ibang fraternities, you could pretend to be a member of a fraternity and probably get away with it. Sa college, parang nabugbog ka lang eh. Sa Knights of Rizal, may kulong eh.
Kulong. 6 months.
You try to pretend to be a member of the Knights of Rizal, under the law, may kulong.
Titignan ko nga.
That is
Titignan ko nga yung
criminal.
Republic Act.
Kung
May nalalaman ako everyday. Kasama niyo ako niyo. Hindi ko, ngayon ko lang nalaman niya. Baka mamaya.
Kulong and fine.
Kuya, baka magkalimutan, doon sa International Assembly, siguro, sasamantalahin ko na yung
Sige po.
pagkakataon.
Yes. Sige po.
Ang host natin ngayon ay ang Cebu. And two activities doon sa International Assembly. One is the dinner is hosted by the city government of Cebu. Kaya we would like to thank the mayor. And the gala night will be hosted by the province of Cebu.
province.
So, we will, nagpapasalamat tayo sa lahat ng ating mga
Dapat naman,
local officials for supporting our organization.
Galing po. Ngayon na, let's say, nakapasok na nga sila. Nasabi nyo na sa mga assembly may dubbing tapos conferral ng mga higher ranks. Ano ba kung higher ranks ba ho yun? Ano ba yung rank structure na ho nyo?
Yeah,
Bali, sir, the Knights of Rizal has a 5-rank system.
5.
Nakapattern siya, sir, sa Legion of Honor ng France. Doon ko po, yun po yung research po na nakuha namin with Most Worshipful Fajardo. When you are dubbed as a Knight of
Just to,
Rizal,
si Most Worshipful Pardo is Grandmaster rin natin sa
Sa
Opo.
Grand Lodge of the
Ang dami
Philippines.
palang
he is the
natin
great,
natin na
he is the great archivist of the Knights of Rizal,
Oh, you
by
see?
the way. Yun.
Sige po.
Pag po na knighthood ka, you are already given the rank of Knight of Rizal, which there is a post-nominal KR. So, yung pangalan mo, malalagyan po sa dulo ng KR. Tapos, meron ka pang sir. Kaya
Ricky
ang
Koo,
tawag sa akin,
KR.
sir.
Sir Ricky Koo,
For
KR.
example,
Sir Ricky Koo.
Sir Ricky Koo, KR.
yun, KR. Now, after 1 year of good service into the order, or if you're elected an officer of a chapter, you can be promoted or elevated to Ninth Officer of Rizal or KOR.
Sir
So,
Ricky
yung
Koo, KOR.
yung KR mo, magiging KOR.
Mag-aaral ng O sa
Oh,
Yes.
na.
Tapos po, if you are eligible because of your meritorious deeds in the Knights of Rizal, or you are elected as chapter commander, or if you are if you have elected to be lifetime member, kasi may lifetime membership po tayo sa order for 25 years of service or donation to the order, pwede kang ma-elevate into Knight Commander of Rizal or KCR.
PCR.
Then, yung may two higher ranks tayo na medyo challenging siyang i-reach, yung Knight Grand Officer of Rizal and Knight Grand Cross of Rizal. So, the difference is yung KGOR o yung Knight Grand Officer of Rizal, nakukuha siya, silver yung ano niya, yung star, tapos nakasash na siya. Usually, this is given to higher officials of the government, mga ambassadors, or yung mga knights natin na may meritorious deeds to our order or
To the
order,
Republic.
Knights of Rizal, or to the Republic of the Philippines. So
And
medyo...
it can be civil services. Like,
Yes, sir.
baka naman kasi akala nila kailangan mo maging gobyerno. Ako, nakaano ako based on public service, di ba?
Public service.
So pwede naman.
Yes po. Usually, sir, yung mga knights natin na
Community
achieve nila
service.
yan,
Community
community service, serving in the leadership of the Knights of Rizal as regional commander, area commander, and then yung length of membership in the Knights of Rizal. Usually, mga sila, 15 years in service.
So yung mga KJ, tawag natin doon,
KGOR.
Knight Grand Officer of Rizal
Officer.
po.
Yeah. Ang pagkunong KGOR, it must pass through review, and then it will be
May nomination po.
doon sa Supreme Council. It must be approved by the
deliberation
Supreme,
pa yun sa-
but it has to be reviewed by the Council of Elders.
So, two-prong process siya. Kung approve siya sa Supreme Council, kaila Supreme Commander.
In the
Pero,
justice.
hindi siya pumasa sa cut ng Council of Elders.
Sorry na lang.
Hindi siya ma-approve.
Okay.
And then we have also the highest rank, the Knight Grand Cross of Rizal. Usually given siya sa Supreme Commander if you're elected. By the way, yung KGOR, it's bestowed on trustees of the Supreme Council if you're elected. So yung Supreme Commander magiging Knight Grand Cross of Rizal, and also the President of the Philippines is given an honorary rank of the
Parang
KGCR.
napakataas na ho ito.
Yes po.
Fifth and highest rank.
And
Fifth and
those
highest
who have already given meritorious service to the order, the country, and humanity.
To the Republic.
The Republic.
Usually,
Let us
mga
remember
KGORs, general rank na yan eh. Mga one-star up na yan eh.
Yung po mga
KGCR,
ranks na yan,
ano
sir,
yan,
ay
full rank.
given ng...
So, parang form of recognition.
Yes.
Diba? Kung servant leader ka, may nagawa ka, sinasabi natin na, ano natin na pakita natin na magaling sila. So they can look forward to that
Yes,
as
they
they
can
move up in the order. Maganda naman ho yun. So, sa assemblies po natin,
Yeah, sa assemblies laging meron yun, yung binibigay yung...
May pinapangaralan.
But the papers has been processed before. And some notable persons that we have given nitong the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Anwar Ibrahim.
proud na proud ho siya.
Yeah,
Kita
proud
ko
na
ho.
proud yun.
Nakuha niya.
And he asked for it. He's looking for the Knights of Rizal,
Knights of
diba?
Rizal.
Hinanap
Idolo niya si Rizal. The Great
Hinanap
Malayan. Di ba po?
hinanap niya si Knights of Rizal when he was here just a few months ago. And some sila I was
Recently,
honored to give an honor to the former
Former president.
of Croatia.
Croatia.
Doon mismo sa ating headquarters. Nandun siya.
How many members do we have as of this time?
As of this time, our general membership is at 15,000 all over the world. And to quote some notable people, we have quite recently who passed away is Henry Kissinger.
And
King Juan Carlos I is also a member of the Knights of Rizal.
mas marami tayong foreign member, di ba po?
Actually, nakakagulat yung mga foreign
Yun nga yung
members.
sinasabi ko, parang mas marami pa tayong foreign
Yeah,
members.
bago nyo. So meron ulit tayong tanong kanina.
Oo.
Oh, yun ang,
Sir, Kuya, what about the Greater Rizalian Family? Di ba meron din tayong mga pendant organization? Bakit hindi natin kailangan natin
Oh, yung mga
bring them
chapters.
out?
Opo.
Ilang chapter? Mga youth?
May mga chapter tayo, no? Meron po tayong Kabataang Pangarap ni Rizal na nasa mga kaparis, na mga nasa colleges. No? Meron din tayo mga Ladies of Rizal.
Ladies of
Rizal. Opo. Meron po din tayong Damas de Rizal. Kababayan
separate
Rizalista.
organization ito.
Separate organizations po ito
Kababayan
para sa
Rizalista.
mga either anak o asawa o kapatid ng knight, nandoon po sila. Ang kaparis naman po ay open sa membership, lalaki, babae, sa college levels. Para sa
Actually, sir, pati high school.
pati high school, open na rin.
So how can they join naman this kung qualified?
Actually, kung you just go to your Caparis chapter in your college, if you're a student or in elementary, endorsed naman tayo ng CHED at ng Department of Education. At higit po sa lahat, babalikan ko lang, December is our National Rizal Youth Leadership Institute. Kasama po sila doon. In fact, sa ating kapatiran, I'm actually opening this to the Order of Demolay, the Supreme Council, and also with the Grand Bethel
Ito na po.
of the, yan.
Yung in Riley din po kasi nagsaserve na parang assembly ng mga kaparis chapters. There's a time that they will be congregating and probably organize their leadership. Yan. I am also alumni of
alumni
Caparis.
ito ng Caparis.
I became the president of Caparis ng 2012 to 2014.
The one in the Presidential Communication Office,
The PCO chair.
yes sir, PCO chair.
Si Secretary Cesar Chavez is the first president of Kabataang Pangarap ni Rizal in 1986.
So yan. Also the former Senator Bob Aquino is also a product of the next program that I'm going to is the Jose Rizal Model Student of the Philippines.
Yeah.
Meron tayong
Award program ho.
award
Award
program
program.
ito na Knights of
Dami
Rizal.
pala, oh.
Doon meron tayong tinatawag
Itong JRMSP, this has been going on. This is the 35th.
35th.
Paliwanag mo nga, Tim.
So the Jose Rizal Model Student of the Philippines is the award program of the Knights of Rizal po para sa ating mga graduating students na merong angking galin sa academic, sa extracurricular and leadership skills. So they will be undergoing screening and then interview.
Pero, Sir Tim, paano sila manonominate?
Sir, they passed their application as candidates. Kaya yun, meron tayong online
Ito
form.
po, yan.
Oo, nandyan sa ating screen,
Naka-flash
naka-flash.
screen, okay.
Nagpapasa sila sir ng documentation nila ng achievements nila. So, meron tayong screening committee. Kami po yung nag-chair ng screening committee. Then, we nominate the 15 finalists. From the 15 finalists, sila po yung magiging yung haharap doon ngayon sa panel of judges headed by our chairman ngayon, si Sir Mark Boado, our Supreme Chancellor, together with
one of our
other
member
judges.
of the trustee is the chairman of this program, the former mayor of Tagum, Sir Alan Relion, co-chaired by Sir Mark Boado.
And yun, JRMSP din, sir. That would be considered as one of parang 10 outstanding Filipinos pero on the student level.
At the student
In
level.
fact, to quote Sir Munding, nung nakita niya yung mga application, the forms are this high. Ang unang reaction sa akin ni Sir Munding, natuwa ako. Sabi niya, ano ba ito? Model student pa lang. Ano ba ina-apply? Undersecretary ng Department of Defense?
Pinapa-career
Ganun
sa akin,
kapal
sir, ang
yung
lalaki.
portfolio.
Alam mo, sa dami ng activities
Oo.
natin, hindi talaga tayo matatapos. But meron din tayong, I heard, sa international headquarters natin, to get them to know more, learn more about Knights of Rizal, meron din daw tayong museum, di ba po?
Yes, sir.
We have the KOR Museum, which was curated
Saan ho yun?
at the second floor of our KOR building, no? Pwede niyong bisitahin
Saan ba ho ang
yun.
KOR International
Our
Headquarters?
KOR International Headquarters can be visited at Port Area, Manila. Malapit po siya sa Anda Circle. So pag galing kayo ng Intramuros, pwede nyo lakarin. Visible naman ng Knights of Rizal International Headquarters. It is a pink building. So, pwede po nyong dalawin yung ating headquarters sa 3rd floor and our KOR Museum on the 2nd floor.
So if they want to know more,
Yeah, they want to
Sila,
know more, just
ano?
go to our website. Ano ang contact information, Kuya Teddy. In fact, our email is also okorian2021@gmail.com. Sigurado pong may sasagot sa kanila within the next 48 hours.
ang dami pala nating activities pero magtatapos
Oo,
na.
kapos talaga oras natin. Any words for,
Greetings or any
ano?
messages?
Yes, messages.
Gusto nating invite muli ang ating mga kasamahan sa Knights of Rizal to attend the International Assembly on February 6 in Cebu City and anong hotel to?
Waterfront Hotel.
Waterfront Hotel. Yeah.
Kuya Paul, baka may gusto ko yung batiin
Batiin, oo.
before I go back to Sir Munding.
Po. Ano na? Executive
Batiin yun.
Director.
Wala ba? Well, una, salamat po sa pagkakataon at sa lahat ng ating mga kuyang at mga brother knights internationally. Let us support each other, our MOA, our
May MOA tayo.
MOA tayo, Grand Lodge of the Philippines,
at saka yung Knights of
Knights of
Rizal.
Rizal.
We're implementing now.
We're implementing now together with the other programs of the Knights of Rizal. At sabi ko nga, in closing, sabi nga ni Kuya Pepe, ang isang buhay na hindi nalaan sa isang magandang idealismo ay parang bato na mapunta lang sa parang o sa isang parang na walang magiging kabuluhan at hindi kailanman magiging parte ng isang edipisyo.
Tagalog.
Niimbitahan din namin kayo sa 62nd and Riley, no? And then the 35th National Rizal Youth Leadership Institute. Ano yung mali?
JRMSP.
35th JRMSP Jose Rizal Model Student of the Philippines yun. Pero samantalin ko na rin, batiin ko na
Yes,
rin
sir.
yung mga Knights of Rizal natin around
Yeah.
the world.
The world, yeah.
And then also, syempre, yung pamilya ko kay Lady Marilyn,
Yeah.
yung anak ko si Dan Martin, tapos mga kasamahan ko sa Vicente P. Trinidad National High School, yung aming chapter dyan, Valenzuela Laon
Lan.
chapter. Yan, sila Sir Ian, Sir Louis Panal, ayan.
Okay. Sir Munding.
Sir Munding.
Well, ang gusto kong patingin unang-una na ang aking chapter sa Tansa Cavite, which celebrates its 52 years. in
52
existence.
52 years. Congratulations po.
Si Justice T. Hangkipang
Wow.
ang mga members ngayon second and third generation na.
Commanders.
Kaya, pati siyempre, of course, my family, anak ko, yung si Aisel na, pwede ko bang sabihin?
Sige po.
Na, natakbong may.
Habang wala pang ano.
Wala pa
opinion.
naman ang period.
Habang wala
Filing
pang
pa, October 8 po.
Mukhang siya papalit sa akin.
Sige po.
So, and of course, sa inyo lahat, Kuyang.
Maraming
Kuyang,
salamat po.
for having us here. Napakagandang opportunity na mabigyan namin ng konting kaalaman ng ating mga kababayan kung ano ang nasa sa loob ng Knights of Rizal.
Maraming salamat, Sir Munding and fellow Knights. On my end, mga kapatid at ating, good evening again. Thank you for joining us again and we'll see you again. Babatiin ko yung boss ko, si Bunny at saka si Ellie.
Yun.
Good evening again. I cannot do without that. Maraming salamat po.
Very good. Go ahead.
Inimbitahan ko po kayo, join us here sa very prestigious organization sa Knight of Rizal. At of course, imbitahan ko na rin po kayo sa dawning ni Attorney Teddy sa Wednesday po yan.
Kailangan maka-attend.
2
Baka
p.m.
mamaya, ano yan ha?
Ako'y labis na natutuwa.
Hindi kayo mapuno yung hall. Puro
Oo,
bisita ni
ako
Kuya
na
Teddy.
nag-imbita.
Okay, thank you sa ating mga tech on duty, si Aldrin Cruz, si Jem Barbon, si Gildon Reyes, ang ating writer, si Laika Cuevas, ang ating si Daniela de Guzman. Shoutout sa aking mga anak, kay Sofia, kay Shane, kay Sean, at saka kay Santi. Next program.
Pangga Root Abaw live kasama si Pangganika. Till next week, maraming salamat po.
Kapatiran para sa bayan.